You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this character. If you want to learn more character names, more names from DUNE or DUNE in general, if you want to learn how it's pronounced better, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's pronounced as Bene. Yes, Bene. I know it's a bit of a confusing spelling of the name Bene, but that's how you pronounce it. Bene Tleilax or Tleilax. Tleilax or Tleilax. Two ways of pronouncing it. Bene Tleilax or Bene Tleilax. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.